how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change your profile picture on TikTok but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then your TikTok profile will open up. Over here, you will see the edit profile button. Tap on it. Then TikTok profile settings will open up. Now tap on the camera icon to change your profile picture. A menu will appear showing various options. First option is take photo. Tap on it to add a live photo as your profile picture. Since I want to select a photo from my device gallery and set it as my TikTok profile picture, so I will tap on second option and that is select from gallery. Then your device gallery will open up. Select any image of your choice that you want to add as your TikTok profile picture. Once selected, tap the next button available at the bottom. Then you will be directed to a new page. From here, you can crop the selected image. You can also notify your followers by adding a story that you changed your profile picture. However, if you don't want to notify anyone, simply untick the option for post this photo to story. Finally, tap the save button. And boom! You have successfully changed your profile picture on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.